In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify a Raket.ph account. So it's actually very simple. First, you have to log into your account. So at the top right, it says login. Click on that and then continue with your account, either with LinkedIn, email, or Google. So the way you signed in for the first time, simply log in again. Now over here, I've just logged in. There we go. And then you'll see this, welcome back. You have logged in successfully. Now to actually verify your account, it's very simple. The only thing you have to do is up here it says your profile is 20% complete. Click here to finish setting up your Raket ship to get your first sale. So click here, and then it says complete your profile, where you will have to complete the following steps to increase your chances of getting hired. So the first one is already done, and then you will have to add your profile pic. Just click over here where it says add your profile pic. It will take you to a page where you can actually do that, and then after you do that, simply follow all the things on that list. So basically, as you're able to see, simply follow the things on the list and then you'll be good to go. Now, after you do this, after you complete all those things, so let me go back in here, there we go. You'll have to add in your profile pic, add your short intro and bio. You'll have to add in one or more social links, and then create one product or service. You will get 100% completion up here. And upon that, you'll be able to basically get verified on your Raket.ph account. So as you can see over here, they also have a post, how do I get a verified pro badge? Simply, for service providers, you'll have to complete your profile 100%, which of course can be done via that. You'll have to upload a clear profile picture, which is basically this one. It just has to be clear. You'll have to include a relevant and appealing cover photo, which of course can also be done via that, because of course you can do that in here where you can add your profile picture. You'll have to write a comprehensive and informative bio that highlights your roles. This is this part over here, and then you'll have to offer your services, including samples, which is this one down here. So make sure you actually do something that's real and authentic. And then it says provide a link to your curriculum vitae or portfolio, which is basically CV, socials, or any proof that demonstrates your abilities and experience in your chosen roles. So you can do that over here as well. Now, once you do that, you can then apply, and of course you will get the verified pro badge. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.